Here we have a Aquatherapy bodywork session. Done by Elian. You can see water really helps get into a somatic practice where one gets out of their head, becomes water, gets really into their body. Water by nature is very feminine, flowing and swirling. So it's a really great practice to learn how to surrender to the flow of life. Be more at peace at what's happening. To release your need to control everything. When in the embryo, we're floating in a liquid water structure. So from birth, we recognize this. We know and remember. But our current society is so masculine and time-based that we forget how to let go. So this is like an opportunity to return to home, to return to the womb, to be held, to receive. And water is the absolute perfect thing to bring someone into this peaceful state of surrender. You can see he's just leading him by intuition, giving him impulses in which direction to go and where to move. There's lots of techniques to these practices, but in the end, it mostly comes to intuition. And I can tell you, based on myself, that surrendering is such a beautiful practice. And we don't have many opportunities to feel so safe. Is to just let the water take you and the practitioner take you to a somatic experience that you might not be used to. Because a lot of the time we're either active and moving and doing, or we're inactive and sleeping and resting. But this is kind of an in-between state where we're at rest but also active, and in this kind of in-between state, which a lot of us are not used to. So it's pretty cool when you let a practitioner take you there. To this embodied state. That's one of my favorite, is like the cradled baby. Just feeling so held. Little baby. Oh, he's been being taken care of for the past like hour, it seems. So that was a really beautiful practice. 2 beautiful men. He says he feels brand new, and that was incredible.
Yeah, oh, I definitely felt it. There were only a couple times that I felt like I was rigid.
Yeah, more in the beginning, I think. No?
Yeah, oh, for sure. Oh, definitely more in the beginning.
More like
Such a beautiful place. Such a beautiful practice. Such beautiful men.
It's all recorded.
Oh.
From 2 angles, so I can make a whole video.
Look how gorgeous this is. Yeah, so we're in Xul-ha, Mexico. The Lagoon of the 7 colors, and it's crystal clear and bright blue most of the time.
Like, I could tell that I was, like, maybe a little bit cold, but it didn't bother me.
That was amazing.
That's the thing, once you surrender, it's not so much of an issue.
No.
Kind of something shifts in the system.
Yeah.
Once you surrender, you don't notice the cold as much because something shifts in the system.
With the breath.
Yeah.
With the breath. What I noticed with you, what I found a bit funny is that when your head was out, you often were still holding the breath.
Oh, yeah, well, I was ready to go under again.
For the under again, yeah. But I usually, when I bring somebody up,
Let them get...
I give them time.
Yeah, I remember you telling me.
Breathe?
You can breathe.
Yeah, because they come up and the whole... Because, yeah, you should have the time. Most people would just stand breathe.
Let's see if we can find some fishies really quick before we end this beautiful video. Fishy fish?
The catfish, you're telling a whole story here, no? About water philosophy.
I was, a whole story. Hello, beautiful.
Hello.
Hello. Is that nice?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. You feel reborn?
I'm a good noodle.
You're a noodle?
Mm-hmm.
You've become one noodle? Mm-hmm. Nice.